Yo, we're gonna start this off the right way, honestly, because I need some caffeine. Right, cool. Lock in. All right, we're locked in. What's up, you guys? So I'm banned on TikTok for 3 days. So it's just YouTube today, which would be cool. Which is cool. So you guys have to stay extra chatty. So here we are on gold. Let's have a look at gold and NQ. Nothing really for me just yet. Showed up for Asia. Nothing happened in Asia, early Asia, so I have called it since then. What up, Rex? Rad? Gang, gang. Raja? Let's have a look here. Do a bit of a top down. Got banned for saying Zen. Yeah, legit. Yeah, I still can't say it. I'll ask TikTok questions. Is it by the same, bro? Yeah. Please don't bring TikTok over here. So, you know, yesterday was a big bullish push. Yesterday was a big bullish push. And today has been bearish. Cool. Very detailed breakdown here. 4 hours are moving down. You know, the 1 hour's just left a pretty decent wick there, but we are moving down pretty strong. Got clean traffic below. Fill yesterday's range maybe, I don't know. Held some support here. What's the 15 look like? Yeah, nothing super complex here, so I'm just gonna be looking for the standard type 1 here. Sells below, buys above. Yeah, nothing super complex here right now. There's no real reason to trade within this range just yet, unless it created clean traffic up here. But right now it's a bit messy, so there's no real reason to trade within this range. I'm gonna be looking for a buy or a sell. Sir, buy or sell? Can you put the watermark on? It is on. You're just not looking properly. Waited all day to trade. Got cooked on 2 out of 3 accounts. Yeah, and that's the thing. That's why trading can be so difficult, right? You can be waiting around for hours for a setup, and only to get, you know, take losses. And it's like, how are you gonna respond in those scenarios? Because it's gonna happen all the time. Like yesterday on stream, I took 2 L's, but before that, I'd been on a ridiculous win streak. But trading kind of comes in waves. Like I wouldn't be surprised if I take a couple of L's today. I've noticed that trading wins and losses kind of almost come in waves. Even though it's randomly distributed, they still tends to come in waves. Oh, what up, Paul? Paul's full-time streamer now as well. Sick stream the boys had. A couple of the lads in the mentorship did a dual stream. Big Shib, what up, what up, what up? Yes, sir. This week, open 1 trade on Monday, win. Now Thursday, can't find myself. That's fucking awesome, bro. That's discipline. That's what professionals do. Awesome. Nah, I don't really trade in New York. I do sometimes, but it's against my rules. I don't like to do it because then I become like addicted to a screen. It's a real shit way to live life, for me personally. Oh, what up, Pez, Brucey, Callum, Cash Dog, ST. Wow, whole gang in the building. Sick. So yeah, pretty standard stuff here. Just kind of looking for basic type 1 breakouts here. There's no type 2 set up here on. I mean, let me have a look at NQ again. What the fuck's NQ doing? Let me do a quick top down here on NQ. Came down, big sell off yesterday. Big wick down here. Oh, you got big wick. Does this wick maybe need to be touched up? We've got 4 hour candles coming up, showing weakening into flipping red. Damn, we got like some sort of 4 hour type 2, Perry. 30 minute and 15. Yeah, I guess for now we'll just kind of mark these levels. Same shits. Bit of a break above, break below. Same shits for now. The biggest thing is NQ going to have volume? That's going to be the biggest determining factor. That's what's going to determine whether you buy or sell, sir. I don't like... Oh. The fuck? Bro doesn't know how physics work. Now I feel too high, but whatever. Big James, what up, cousin? W, check news. Well, there wouldn't be news till NY anyway, but let's have a look. PMI tonight. Yeah, PMI in 6.5 hours. W. Oh, bro, the giveaways, it's going to be tomorrow. I could do it today, but it's my own fault. I didn't do it in time. Yeah, I'm doing some sort of thing which randomly picks someone from the chat, from the comments. 100%. I'll promote the shit out of it tomorrow for tomorrow's stream. New Zealand here again, bro. Thanks for your awesome job. Ah, thanks heaps, cuzzy. Ow. Thanks for being here, bro. Yeah. When do you determine when it's a type 2 is valid? When you got clean traffic and just the candlesticks give you the heads up. Let the candles tell you what's up. Mitch Dog, what up? Bluey. Bluey in the building. The infamous. The infamous. Oh, chair, bro. Oh, man. I remember back in the day, like going to house parties randomly in Kingston. Back in Queensland. And it was like a Kiwi guys having parties and they all used to punch on and shit. Seen one guy get a bottle smashed. He got bottled and didn't even faze him. Nah, TikTok banned me for 3 days. No love for Pakistan, bruv. What a wreck. Wait, what? I got love for Pakistan, brother. I got love for all my brothers and sisters from all across the globe. Whether you're a fucking Kiwi or you're a Pakistani now. Dilawar, what up, G? So let's see how price wants to react around here. We're here at the London Open, high volume time. Market hasn't moved a ton for gold, like, 100 pips. That's not too much for gold. Salam alaikum. Would you use the same amount of contracts on MGC as MNQ? I don't know. I'm a bad trader. I still don't really know too much about. But yeah, around the same. I'm still shit with the sizes of NQ and, some of the other boys know. I'll probably just ask them. Oh, cheer, bro. What else, that? W stream. Next time you do a stream or you guys do a duel, I'll put it in the free Discord and tag everyone. Get the free Discord cats to come over. What up, Jib? Jib Dog. Good catching up yesterday. Wait, I get confused with your guys' real name and then your freaking YouTube name. I think we caught up yesterday. Let's get it. Let's get the bag or lose the bag. Yeah, no worries. Static. Saw a documentary? Yeah, nice. I was about to bring that up. Any of you guys are interested in watching this little mini documentary here? Wait On. You go to Wait On YouTube channel and you can see what's up. Proven edge works in the market. At the same time, you can see what's up over there. Yeah, Jewel Stream was fire. Have you ever heard of Matty Daddy? No, I'm not doing that again, bro. How did that get me last time, man? Honestly. Give us the wise. Just finished up at work today to go just finished up at work today to go full-time trading. Any startup tips? Wow. I'll tell you in a second. Do you have any advice for Conquer intraday trailing drawdown? Yes, just don't get it hit. Give yourself like 2 trading days, 2 losses a day. Oh, you watched it today, Static? Nice. Yeah, we hit him with that Doco type beat. Can someone be a profitable trader and start with just 20 AUs without blowing it? No. No, you're going to blow it. You need to blow it. You need to lose money to learn, unfortunately. So let's see if gold wants to start to pick up a little bit here, or if not, or NQ. Our job is just to show up and see if a thing presents, and if it doesn't, then you just chill out. Doco was great. Nice, Grant. Appreciate it. It's good that you liked it. I ask you, if you target 30 pips and you try and find clean range, where is more 30 pips? I mean, you need clean range more than 30 pips of price action. Yeah, the idea is if you get a break below and you want to write it down to here, you just want to ensure that you've got at least 30 pips below. That's all it is. Yeah, Zoe, my advice for you going full-time trading is, well, one, I'd only assume that you're going full-time trading because you already have proof, like you know that you can consistently pull money out of the markets, that's just the biggest thing. I think to go full-time trading means you're already that guy or girl, like you understand your psychology, you understand your ability to do this, and then it's just chill out. Don't think about it too much. Don't put too much pressure on it. Don't even think about it. Just keep showing up. Moodgy, what up? What up? So how can you be a profitable trader when you don't have enough capital? You just don't trade then. Go get a job. You have to get a job, my dude. That's what you're gonna have to do. I know it sucks, but unfortunately you have to get a job. Greetings from Germany here. I didn't know this. Are you born again Christian? I don't even know what that means. I don't even know what Christian means. I just know what God and Jesus means. Jesus Christ. Yeah, I don't know about churches or Christianity or any of that. I just know about God and Jesus. Yeah, I don't know about churches. I can't connect with church. I've gone to church a couple of times. I just can't connect. I can't connect. Connect, bro. Are you more comfortable with shorts and longs? I don't discriminate at all. Billions and billions. Are you looking at volume on some other screen? No, I'm looking at volume from the candle bodies. Yeah, the candle bodies will give you let you know whether the volume in the market or not. Yep. Candle bodies will let you know whether there's volume in the body or not. So look at the difference here. Low volume. Look at the candle bodies. Volume pick up. Oh, your volume already pick up. Right, so when the candles get a bit bigger, then you'll get those breakouts. Right? Volume kicks up, breakouts higher likelihood. Volume die down, breakout no down. Right, so just look at the candle bodies. Oh, look at this. Volume pick up, candle bodies get big, breakouts happen. So just look at candle bodies. Look at that body. Don't say Tanzania. Fuck me. But that word got me banned on TikTok. I watched a good live TradeZella backtest on. Okay, nice. Yes, Bible reading helps psychology for sure. Did you say God in Jesus' name? Wait, what do you mean? Imagine if they have a church for traders. You just worship a candlestick. No, you can't. You can't worship false prophets. You can't worship idols. Yeah, massive difference between having faith and following religion. Religion's caused so much chaos throughout human history. But Jesus is reliable. No, Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John. If you ever watch, if anyone ever watches that Cliff Connect, or whatever his name is, Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John. Jesus was reliable. It's exactly how he speaks, bro. Oh, that's so good. Cliff Connect, bro. Wait, what do you mean? Did you just pass one then, Static? Damn, what trades are you fucking taking, young Impulse boy? Nice, bro. Congrats. Beautiful. Beautiful work. Some sort of impulse sell. Wow. Look at this, you guys. Ty over here passing more challenges. Ty's in the mentorship. Good trader. Good young trader. Awesome. Top step, nice. There's no God and devil, just live your life. Yeah, that's debatable. What Cliff Connect would say to that is, then that means that you look at life as just matter and energy. And if it's just about matter and energy, then your life has no value. God created you with inherent value. The copy trader I use, Rad, it's already built into this platform, Project X's platform. Why don't you sit in a chair? Because I don't want to be a lazy piece of shit. I want to stand up and I don't want to sit down for long hours at a time, so I stand. Little rat scalp, nice. Long yesterday, bull, nice. Good stuff, man. My life is over. Yeah, so Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John. What's the average bonus percentage? I don't know. Just win and lose. I think his trade might have been a bit of a not a textbook. I think he only had a little bit to get on it, so he maybe took a bit of a rat scalp. Jesus is reliable. Fuck, it's hot in here, man. I'm gonna turn the aircon in a sec. If Ken has a long week, consider demand rejection. Oh, wait. If Ken has a long week, can we consider demand supply? I don't know about any of that stuff, brother. I'll just wait for one of these levels to get tapped into. Yeah, not textbook, just kind of had a bit to go on it. Yeah. I mean, once you got like 200 to go, you can... you do have to be careful a bit, I guess, because you can take a small loss and then with fees and commissions, you know, you lose a bit more and then you can... I've spiraled out of control after being 200 away and blown it. Yeah, I think everyone has. Everyone. Cope. Oh my god, some people are so fucking stupid. Yeah, good advice given us on a recorded chart you already saw. Hey bro, it's a demonstration, you stupid. Yeah. How'd you determine the upper level? Yeah, just there's enough clean range above here where this minor support is. It's kind of like you come into the session and find your areas where there's, you know, red and green kind of printed next to each other. This area is going to be respected now to some degree. And then the closest level where that is, where there's enough clean traffic above, meaning just one colored candle to break above and ride up to the next level. That's all. Yeah, literally live every day for a year. Dan, have you been down to Asia for tea yet at the marina? No, I don't really do much tea, but I'm open to that. Blown a couple real close, yeah. How many times did you blow your account before you get profitable? So many, bro. Yeah, so many. So many. More than probably you guys. Yeah, can we get 100 likes for this channel? Is that humanly possible that we could do that? What are we at now? 48. Wow. No, there's been 1,000 people have been here as well. Unbelievable. Am I not pretty enough? So yeah, see if we can get some sort of trade today. That'd be good. Yeah. It's my heart to... Yeah. Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John. Yeah, so we've got NQ and gold here where we're kind of pointing the arrows at. What about those candles to the left, the upper? Is that strong resistance? The candles to the left upper. I mean, like if we want to really look at the levels, you go, okay, we've got this level, and then the next one is this level, and then above that's maybe this level, and then this one. But the top level up here, I believe, is dog shit above that. Let's look to the left. Yeah, look to the immediate left. Right? So if we want to be real, yeah. So if we want to be real about it, you're kind of cooked above here. There's actually this level right here, because you've got clean traffic above that, but these wicks, it's still a bit of a danger zone through here. You've still got like from here to here, this clean traffic, these wicks here, these bodies here, but yeah, it's tricky. Be careful. Am I not pretty enough? Imagine if a dude made a song like that. Am I not pretty enough? Only chicks can get away with shit like that. Yeah, Cliff, Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John. Jesus was reliable. Physique reveal? Yeah, I'm not in the best physique, but I'm working on it. But today didn't go good because I ate like a bacon and egg wrap thing. Check Dissy? Okay, let's check the Dissy. Let's check on the Dissy. The free one or the normal one? Or the mentorship one? Oh, look at this. Some sort of video. Let me put this on mute just so I want to watch this. Oh. Visit site. Please don't be a glitch or something. The fuck? Oh, wait. Why can't I hear this? Oh, no, I don't know why. Yeah, I do. Sorry, guys. After much observation. Come on, man. Oh, no, bro. You make me sound like a serial killer. Why are you meaning dad? Bro! What's with the music? Bro! The music! Finally met dad. Bro, that's actually making me fucking tear up with laughter. That is hilarious. You motherfucker. Why? Fuck, that is so funny. Raja Banks is my dad. Finally met dad after 32 years. Oh my god, that is funny. Someone sent that to Raja. That is so fucking funny, bro. Daniel Banks. Oh. It's in the free Discord. No, if Raja sees that, he's gonna be like, oh, that Daniel guy, it turns out he's a serial killer. Like, that is fucking hilarious. Yeah, it should just be in the fucking main Discord. That was fucking hilarious. I'm exhausted. Yeah, it's in the free Discord. Anyone that wants to join the free Discord over here, I'll send the link in the chat right now. Yeah, there's the free Disy. I'll pin it. Raja is my dad. Which app are you trading on? I'm using Top Step. This platform here is called Project X, but when you get a Top Step prop account, you automatically get this. Yeah, so we're in the middle of this range here. We want to see some sort of break to either side here. Nah, Traders Day isn't cashy. Traders Day makes heaps of fucking random videos. After yesterday loss, did you get back already or your peer? No, yep, same. Just walked away, brother. Yep, just walk away. I'm walking away. Yeah, you've got to walk away. Because here's the thing. The old me, through experience and years of trading, would try and get my money back in the market. It never works out, bro. Trust me. Just know we're playing the game of probabilities, and if you take some losses, you have to walk away. All you can do is manage it. The first trade I was able to take size off before it hit my full stop loss. The second trade I wasn't able. It was whipping around too much. But you have to walk away. You gotta walk away. Trust me, bro. I promise you. 1 to 2 trades a day. No, this is Prop X. This is Top Step. You're Top Step, boy. Really enjoyed the interview you did with Matt Fraser. Oh, was good to see you two different angles. Ah, nice. Yeah, me and Matt. Yeah, it turns out it looks like a lot of people liked that interview with Matt. Aussie boy. Aussie lad. $25 to not blow an account. Yeah, just blow it, bro. Just go full margin. Get a new account. Fucking, what are you waiting for? Is that really my dad? Raja is my dad. That's fucking hilarious, bro. Oh, that hurt my soul. If Raja sees that, he is literally going to be like, oh, yeah, that turns out that Daniel guy is a fucking crazy person. Any more Prop XP promos coming up? No, but I did a massive giveaway on my Instagram page. You've got, like, till today is your last chance to be involved in it. I'm giving away 30 accounts. Oh, I didn't even see what that person was writing, seen on TV. I didn't see what he was writing. Graph must have seen something there. Going to be Bitcoin. Oh, yeah. Yeah, we're really in the middle of this range right here, so we're going to have to wait and see. I could see it melt. I could see it just kind of impulsively dropping here, though. Good mods. Yeah, Graph, thanks, brother. I don't know what he was saying. Do you hold any crypto? Nah. No. Bitcoin's going to zero anyway. Yeah, see if we can get a good sell opportunity. I'd rather sell gold considering we're moving down, so yeah, I'd rather sell. Abdul, what up? What up? What up, car? Oh, Ash, what up? Party shirts. Yeah, I got to wrap a party shirt on stream, my dude. Yeah, I got to wrap a party shirt, I think. Oh wow, you're in a goal. You're in a sell from up there. Nice, sick. Yeah, I was just saying I'd love to sell, so hopefully it comes down. What firm do you trade with? I've been thinking about adding some other prop firms in, like what's that one? TPT, Take Profit Trader. Is that any good? Ah, good to have you here, brother. Good to have you, my G. Yeah, I'm looking at NQ as well. I've got NQ marked up here. Like Take Profit? Yeah, maybe I'm going to give them a bit of a crack as well. Daily payouts, yeah, nice. Oh wow, everyone likes them, okay. What do you say trading gold in Asia seems to be? Yeah, Asia gold has volume. Funda Pro. Oh, okay, Funded Alpha Futures. Interesting. Yeah, I might have to look at TPT today. TPT, it sounds like some sort of like internet plan. Nah, fuck FTMO. FTMO was the first prop firm I ever started with, to be honest. Crazy. Oh, and they use Project X. Interesting. Huh. Yeah, definitely want to stack. I really like what, I don't know if any of you guys follow BPC Trades. He's always trading multiple prop firms. I'm like, that's not a bad idea. Why not, right? Euro 3, yeah, nice. Yeah, Brandon, America. Yeah, Brandon's a cool dude. Yeah, Express counts are going good. Yeah, it's going good. I'm chipping away. Just wanted to spend the first month relatively conservative and just build them up slowly. So that's just what I'm doing. Just rub mud into your face or something. Mud's good. Ah. Yeah. Monthly's looking good. Yeah, no one's gonna believe yesterday's been like my only losses since fucking 1973 basically. Would you link up with Big Daddy Max? I saw him. Yeah, he's put up a couple of my videos. Yeah, for sure. Maybe that's something I should do. Link up with Big Dad. But what would we even do? I mean, I could get him on stream or something. Yeah, I think having a multiple 50k accounts are fine. Like, what are you trying to do? Like, you can still make decent money. All you need to do is just put a bit of a buffer on them. Gonna give us a peek at the Nah, I don't really want to show my back end. I already show so much. Yeah, I think that's something that I decided I don't really want to do, because then it puts, like, it changes the idea. The whole reason of live trading is to show up in live trade, not feel like I need to be accountable to showing everyone my fucking bank account. Amelie Fundy, yeah. Yeah, nah, for sure. I've got to start doing some guest stuff. Oh, shit. Back end bandit. From the troubles in my life. So we'll see, man. Really want to see price do something here. Looks like it's trying to move up. Get to one of my levels. Thoughts on time to eat trading? Thoughts on time to eat trading is cool. Yeah, I like Nick. Yeah, I like Nick. Yeah, Monday I'm doing I think I might be doing a podcast with, there's another live trader, Trades Sharp. A lot of the guys sometimes in the chat say, hey man, do you know Trades Sharp? And he lives in Dubai as well. So I think we're doing a roundtable podcast with Trades Sharp and a couple other traders. Good fun traders now, just a lot, don't have a big following. Yeah. Fuck, gosh. Oh, big pop suey. May I ask, what are you trading now? This is gold. Yeah, this is gold. Trading gold. Yeah, Trade Sharp. Okay, so I might have to look at strapping in here for a buy if gold wants to do something here. We've got 6 minutes for this candle closure. If we can close above this level, I'm not mad at it. I mean, I sort of, yeah, I pay attention to the bars, but I don't know what an inside bar is, and I don't know what a pin bar is and stuff like that. I just know what I'm looking at. Yeah. He trades very similar to you. I think he does YouTube. Yeah, I know he does live streams as well, yeah. And looks like he's a bit of a price action trader, which is cool. Celery play in range. Celery play in range. Yeah, I don't know about that. Yeah, next range will be something like that. Forex 4 hours, got an hour and 20 minutes left. Yeah, we'll see, man. Why do I keep saying we'll see, man? We'll see, man. You shop hop on stream. Oh, you should hop on. Yeah. Maybe, yeah. I only stream with chicks. I do that. I just find every hot streamer chick that trades as well. And even if they don't trade, it'll be like, just place a trade and fucking just here, press buy. And like, look at this trader. And she's like some OnlyFans chick. Have you noticed that since you moved to Dubai, a lot more people have reached out to you on podcasts, etc.? Yeah, because there's a lot of trading community here. But also, since moving to Dubai, I've really increased my social media presence. So there's like a correlation there. The thing is, like, you could be the best trader or the coolest person in the world, but if no one knows who you are and you don't have a social media presence, it doesn't mean anything. So it's like, you're going to go on podcasts and stuff like that if you have a social media presence. And they just so happen to be podcasts and shit here. You guys learn a lot from Raja. Yes, yes. Oh, the drilling stopped for now. We'll see if it wants to pick up. Do you ever win a trade on live stream? Do you ever shut the fuck up? Sorry. What kind of car do you have? A rental right now? Yeah, I have a rental right now. Yeah, I thought that was a rage bait, dude. Yeah. Chilling at mummy's house. Huh. Do you ever win a trade on stream? Mom, shut up. I'm watching the stream. You gotta fucking move out, bro. You gotta conquer the world. Oh, fuck. Tori is too egotistical to pick a humble man like yourself. It's her loss. She'll never wake up. Tori, come to Papa. I know. It's like I'm fucking... No, I'm only joking. I don't know. I think that she would come on the stream, but she just hasn't... There's no way to get her number or anything. No, Mum, I'm not hungry yet. We had spaghetti last night. Spaghetti? Here's a bowl of spaghetti for dinner. How much to rent a Lambo for the day in Dubai? It was, I think, about 1,000 Australian dollars and then 1,500 deposit, or 2,000. So all up, if you want to rent a Lambo for the day, oh, this is like a mid-tier Lambo as well. You know, it's like $1,000 a day and then $2,000 for a deposit, which you get back, obviously. WPEZ, I'm here for it. Bro, is the background real? Does that answer your question? Oxygen Gym, awesome. Yeah, Oxygen Gym is crazy. 200 likes and we get a banger trade today. Exactly. 200 likes and we get a banger trade today, you guys. We're at 94 likes and 1,500 people have been here. Disgusting. I should ban everyone. When are you going to buy a good watch? I know, bro. And I've never been a guy about material shit, but since being here in Dubai, I'm like, fuck, I need to get a good watch. It's kind of a thing. Like, you'll go hang out with all these cats and they got these crazy watches. And I'm like, I kind of need a watch. Like, I don't need one. I'm not doing it in a gay, like in like a trying to keep up with the Joneses thing. But it is like, one, it would be sick to have a dope watch. But two, it's kind of like, it's just a bit of a status thing as well. Like, it really is. And it will elevate you, or force you to elevate and stay at a certain level. Sometimes you got to do that, like put your back against the wall or buy something or purchase something that's going to force you to stay at a certain level. I don't know, it's hard to explain. Walking back singing, I'm walking away. Do you have another job in Dubai? Yes, I'm a stripper. Yeah, I'm a stripper. Are you married? No. I've got no girls. Get a G-Choc. The AP, yeah. I don't know, I'd like to get a roll. I really like those green rollies with the green fucking shits. I'm your age, bro. Been breaking for 6 months, so frustrating. Any advice? How long have you been trading for, Toby? Nah, I'm not missing Brisbane. People take you serious with nice watch. Yeah, and easy to do business. Bro, it's true. It just is, man. It's true. The Hulk. No, I mean like the green watch face, you motherfuckers. How do you guys not know that? People know that, right? Rolex. Green. Yeah. Like this one. This specific one. Oh, isn't that dope? Is anyone watch people here? Is this lame in the watch industry? Is this lame in the watch industry or is this dope? I don't know much about watches yet. Is that an entry Rolex? Wow, that's an entry Rolex. Wow, pretty entry level. Holy fuck. Maybe I don't want to be that lame then. Nah, maybe I could enter the game as an entry model, entry level guy. That's the start of the ice, really. Entry class. Wow, that's entry. Damn, I'm a bitch. Really, Paul? I don't want to be a bitch. It's a statement piece? Yeah, but the statement is I'm an entry level guy. I want to be the... Yeah, maybe I have to put more thought into this. Wimbledon Rolex. Cartier Santos. It's a good start. Okay. Yeah, everyone's saying entry. It's like, what watch you got? What color's your fucking Rolex? That's a gay grandpa's watch? Oh, wow, Paul. Okay. Need a Richard Mille. Yeah, some of the guys I've met up with have one of those. So this 15 failed to close above. We'll see if this next one can do something here. NQ's just dancing here for now. You suggest this? Go for it? Really? How much did this say? 58 AED. To AUD? Wow, didn't even type fucking AED. Oh, this one's 26 and this is $24,500 is this green watch. This green watch is 24,500 Australian dollars. Interesting. More aura if you're balling out dress. No, but it's just like, yeah, it is like, especially business meetings and stuff, like you want to be... Buy it on stream. If I ever bought it, I'd get someone, they deliver it, I'm pretty sure, so I'd do a vlog. It depends UKD trades. I'm going relatively conservative, just building up a buffer on these accounts first. There's no tax threshold in Dubai. One of those in Dubai, Thailand for $5? Yeah, I know. Yeah, it's a steep entry level fucking watch for sure. This is gold. Nice. Bro, look at your name. Kwongezeb Warondel Nelson. Thank you, brother. Yeah, watch game ain't cheap. Yeah, tricky stuff here. It kind of sucks that it's moving up like this. Do you ever execute in lives? Do you ever ask your mum to bring dinner down earlier tonight? Yeah, people literally have houses on their wrists. It's crazy, bro. Yeah, everything's pushing up a bit here. $10 minutes for the hour closure as well. We execute bridge kit. Legit. Yeah, make sure you guys drop a thumbs up for the stream. If we get to 200 likes, I'll buy you a Rolex. Your view count on YouTube is slowly rivaling just a matter of time before Tori noticed. Yeah, so alright, gold. No FOMO. Just really want to see some sort of closure outside one of these ranges and start to look at something here. TikTok's banned me for 3 days, so monthly Skyward. Yeah, anyone that's interested in mentorship, it's a mentorship, not a course. So you work with me one-on-one. You just go to danielholmestrades.com. But it's only for serious, like people that want to take this serious, not like signal type shit. It's mentorship, so we work one-on-one together. TikTok ban's a blessing in disguise. Yeah, maybe. It depends, Michael. I have to see how this develops. I have to see how the structure is and stuff. Yeah, FTMO was the first prop firm I ever traded with. FTMO was the first ever. Yeah, kind of whack structure here so far, we'll see. I mean, they're all the same. All these prop firms are the same. There's no different. Like, there's no like, oh, no, this prop firm was so bad. Like, how? It's just a prop firm. They just chill. There you go. Look at Perry's comment right there. It's every day, bro. Yeah, 15 stinkers. Oh. Yeah, that's like the biggest thing you see, Ahmed, is, okay, do I do this now? Do I do this now? And it's like, there's no confirmation. They're just so eager to jump into a trade. It's like, you're looking at this shit all wrong, son. You're looking at this shit all wrong. Any of you guys want to watch my documentary here? Mini documentary dropped here on the Wait On podcast. Way On's podcast. I teach you how to twerk. I teach you how to break dance. I'll teach you all that shit, son. Yeah, but they're going to pay. All this like they won't pay me things. It's like, it's not gonna happen, bro. They're gonna pay you if you just trade normal. Just do the same thing. PayPal, pay Paulina. Just do exactly what got you to the dance. Just keep doing exactly what you did the past challenge. And if you say, oh man, I passed it by just full margin in it, then you're in a bit of a tricky situation. Because once you're funded, you got to just treat it. You got to treat it like a slower game. Like you just have to chip away slowly, kind of thing. Hell yeah, Pez. Hell yeah, my dude. Goat status. Literally the animal, a goat. I mostly trade gold. Yeah, mostly gold. I just put a poll here in the YouTube chat. I'd be interested to hear what you guys use here. Do you use naked chart like this, or do you use indicators? What's the biggest cause of losing traders? Great question. It's not one thing. It's a series of a few things. It's a series of a few things. But you could say it all stems from ego, maybe. Unrealistic expectations. And then a delusion of what this is, like the wrong mindset of what this actually is. People don't understand how like this game actually is about losing. Why do you think like the best-selling book is The Best Loser Wins by Tom Hogard? Because it's about your ability to take losses and understand that this is a game we play, but it goes against human psychology. Because we, like in normal life, when you take a loss, it like triggers like, oh, bad thing happened. But you have to get really good at understand that bad thing is actually an everyday occurrence. Like it's something you have to get really used to, and then think of the big picture. Have you reached Richie status yet? No. No. Come on, dude, let's trade. Bro, what do you mean, come on, dude? Like, as in, come on, dude, make the market set up a perfect setup for you so you can actually take a trade. Like, come on, dude, hurry up and press the button. What the fuck? I only use stochastic Bollinger Bands, RSI, and ActiveMaze and Fibonacci on the 1 minute. Ich bay, lad. Yeah, I recommend The Best Loser Wins. I think that's probably the best trading book out there. Yeah, The Best Loser Wins. Trading gurus versus actual teachers. You need to say to all your trading gurus, I think it needs to become an industry standard that if you're a trading guru, you have to trade live. Oh wow, looks like most people here are naked chart people. That's really good to hear, actually. I love that. I just ended that poll there, but I love to see that. 183 votes. Wow, okay. A lot of you guys are naked chart guys. That's awesome. Yeah, Tom Hogard's great. Like his book, The Best Loser Wins, is one of the classics. Like a real, okay, classic. It's not an old book, but yeah, really good book. All right, so price kind of rejected off this level. I'm not mad at this because now I didn't want to take a buy there if it broke above because we're kind of breaking at support. We're trying to break out of resistance at resistance. It doesn't make sense. You really want a bit of a setup, a pullback, and then let us break out after that. That's what you want in these types of scenarios, but we've got 10 seconds here. It can still flip up. We'll see. What book do you recommend on communication skills? I bring it up all the time. It's called Skills with People, but this is just a condensed version of how to win friends and influence people. All right, there's that closure, you guys. Let's have a look over here. So if the next candle can do this, this will be really good opportunity for buyers. So we'll see. We're all naked, yeah. Time to call it, bro. We only just started. The party's just getting started, my dude. Chicks are about to rock up. Come in, girls. Like, bro, one day on a stream, can I order like some dances or something right now? Dubai women Dances or something? Order? Is that like sound bad? Dances. Order. Dubai Night Girls. Oh, look at this. Dancers. You can get dancers. Hire dancers in Dubai. Yeah, I'll get some dance in the background. I actually brought that book. It's the only one I recommend. Any additional ones? Nah, because the reality is that's all you're going to need, and then the rest is just your own psychology. There's no such thing as trading psychology. It's just human psychology. If you want to watch, if you want to understand and look at trading as a probability game, definitely look at Mark Douglas's YouTube videos. But in terms of books, Best Loser Wins is one of the top. Yeah, those balloon fucking charts are weird, bro. Just another thing that kind of pops up in the market and on social media. Yeah, we've got to trade when girls are here, man. I think there's a lot of gold diggers. Yeah. Peter, in terms of how much I'm risking at this stage, you know, 5 accounts, probably $350 over per account is max loss today. Letting Go by David Hawkins. No, I don't. Let it, yeah. We're doing way too much on charts, legit. Yeah. I mean, at some point, you've got to just stop reading books as well and just focus on the charts and trading. Again, trading psychology is just your own psychology. It's the same shit you'd be speaking to a psychiatrist about, but just showing up on the charts. That's all. When can we see your pod with Raja? Bro. You got to spam his chat. He said like 10 different dates, so I have no idea, brother. Full day of filming for nothing. Still holding on to the pod, bro. Nah, he messaged me yesterday saying, oh, this weekend maybe, but I said that a lot. No, I don't use TradeZola. I don't rate it. You look like an actor, to be honest. Yeah, I am an actor. I'll tell you which actor I am. What's that bald dude's name? He's a doctor, a surgeon, mechanic. Art of Impossible. Yeah, I stream every day here, so we're looking at some level up here if we can get a break above. Yeah, that's it, Sins. Danny Sins. Fuck. Is Raja your guru? No, I'll tell you who Raja is, apparently, according to this video that someone just made. According to this video that somebody made, this made me cry before on stream, bro. This is so fucking funny. It's just so dumb. Wait a sec. I gotta watch this again. This is so bad, bro. Finally meeting Dad. This is so dumb. Nervous to see Dad. Gym session with dad. This is so bad. The music! After 32 years. Bro, that fucking made me cry before. That was so funny. So bad, man. If Raja sees that, he's literally going to call the police and be like, it turns out that Daniel guy's a fucking absolute stalking psycho. Because people are making videos like this, bro. We can't be doing this. Raja's not really my dad. Resemblance is incredible. No, bro. It's all a joke. The banana. Oh, fuck. You look like Mario Ballatini? Oh, I don't usually like doing this. Let's do it one more last time just to see who the fuck Mario Ballatini is. Come on, bro. I mean, maybe the physique, but come on, bro. We can't be doing this. Who is your mentor? God. Raja. I mean, Gold, what are you going to do here, bucko? This is a really high pressure level. This is a real high breakout level here. I don't know if we'll get a clean setup. We'll probably just push or fake out. Can we get some thumbs up on the stream for Raja's dad? Get a nice child allowance. Potential sells. I'm going to need certain structure. There's no structure here that's giving me a signal to sell just yet. You accept him as your father. What do you think about Dominion funding? Sounds, I think it's good. It's bouncing off VWAP. Yeah. I'm going to need some candlestick structure personally just to get an idea. Hating London sessions lately? Yeah, they can be a bit painful. Yeah, life in Dubai is good. It can cost like very similar to wherever you're coming from to live in Dubai. It just depends what type of lifestyle you want to live. Raja Bahi Hayamera. Man, ICT is so legit. ICT legit. Oh wow, straight away look at all these bad reviews. Fake, fraud, exposed. Fuck.
Hey, it's me, Iman. A tale as old as time. What happened?
Oh no, my screen. Sorry, my screen's glitching here. It'll come back in about 10 seconds. Damn it. I hate when this fucking happens. Yeah, you're gonna need to give me 10 seconds. I don't know if this just destroyed the whole stream. We'll see. Oh, thank fuck. Yeah, I'm back. All right, let me get out of that. Sorry. Check normal DC chat room. Bro. We can't fucking do this. We can't be doing this. Oh, fuck. Oh, here we go. Bro, I don't resemble him. Oh, that sounds painful, Pez. Oh, music, yeah, good. Yeah, make sure you guys drop a subscribe as well if you're not already. Live here every day for the London session. We'll see if Price wants to start gravitating to this level. Dan, if I come to Dubai, I want to meet you. Yeah, okay. Okay. How much is your mentorship? Probably too much, bro. For you. Can you play why you trade MGC as opposed to GC? I like MGC because I can take size off. Yeah, if I put on like, 10 minis, I can take off 8. Hey man, I'm in New Zealand. Oh, ow, bro, you're fucking all the way from New Zealand, cuz. Some good prop firms, G. Oh, let me think about it. Can fucking have a hungy about it even. Nah, they're all good, brother. They're all good. Go Top Step, Bullinox, Bang Bang Banana Firm. Yeah, they're all good, bro. Why off subtitles? Subtitles are not off, bro. Live streams don't have subtitles until it's posted because they can't like decode my language as I'm speaking in real time. Yeah, where's this volume? I'd like to put an inquiry in for volume. Well, your cousin's coming over static. I love my New Zealand brothers and sisters. Just across the pond. Do you know Nick? Yes. Give you a haka. Hey, what's a haka? Is that like a hiding? Yeah, please, so can I have some volume? Think about a video of you talking about God. Do you follow Jesus? Yeah, look, if you go on a Way On podcast, you'll see that. I did a Way On podcast. Type in Way On onto... I did a documentary with them. Type in Way On into YouTube. Yeah, I'm a follower. Look at this fucking weak arts breakout. This isn't a breakout. There's no volume here just yet. What the fuck? You're waiting for Ali close? I'm happy with the 15 closure above this level, but it's still failing. My mouse is failing me as well. My mouse, I'm literally going to... I don't want to say it, but I'm about to... myself because of this mouse. Who is your mentor? You go join the free Dissy and you can see who my mentor was here. It's linked in the chat. London Poo Poo, bro. Should do a podcast with a top German trader in Dubai. Bro, the only thing... Yeah, okay. Raja, Nick, you? Oh, you give a hiding. Nah, what's a hacker? I probably know, but I forget. Then I saw a picture of you practicing medicine. Are you a bro? It's not me, bro. It's not me. That's not me, man. It's a fake thing. London Volume has just been so fun lately. Oh, it's a war dancer. Ah. Yeah. Combat, combat. Ah. Yeah, sick. Oh, that's Samoan. Ah. Yeah, Breakout has to be the body, Hassan. Bro, your live's so much fun. Thank you for being here, Nab. Haven't seen your name in the chat for a while, Nab. Kamate. Haka dance. What the hell are you? Do a magic trick? My magic trick is to make money out of thin air, but it's not really giving me opportunity to do that right now. Really not giving us opportunity just yet. We're gonna have to. I hope Forex didn't show anything cooler. Yeah, Forex kind of broke out, but that's still a bitch ass candle. I wouldn't take that anyway. Well, we're not trading Forex, so don't get your knickers in a knot. Ah, gotcha. Work live. So we not mark the wicks? No, we don't mark the wicks. We mark bodies. So if we were to look at the high here and we'll say, okay, it's a resistance level. Do I put my resistance point at the top of that wick? Or do I put it at the break of the bodies right there? Or do I put in the middle? You want to do it closer to the bodies, but about there, just above the bodies. So not in the middle, not at the high, not at the bottom, but just kind of there, above the bodies. And it's not a point, it's a price area. So like, it really is like that kind of thing, right? So if price can kind of engulf that, like this, that's perfect. You've engulfed that fucking, like, that area there. That's how you want to approach it. Kamate. Really ugly price action for, yeah. You know, London's tough sometimes, man, I gotta be honest. Yeah, trading a bit of personal when I remember. Yeah, I might have to jump back into taking that serious. What's your take on Trader Tom? I mean, oh, if you mean Tom Hogard? Do you mean Tom Hogard? Yeah, good man, Brett. I know, Chris, I know. It's tough. This whole week's been nuts. Yeah, it's tough sometimes. I mean, this is the thing. You got to remember trading's a long-term game, right? So if you can't sit through months of tough price action in the period in which you like to trade, then it's going to be tough for you in this game, bro. Because I'm planning to trade for like 50 years type shit. So what's 3 months in 50 years to not get fucking the most ideal volume, you know? No, I'm quitting. I wanted perfect volume every day when I show up. So, all right, bro. Well, get back in the line because there's a bunch of other traders that are willing to put their nuts on the line for eternity. Yeah, gold's gonna be tough, man. Hopefully NQ can save the day, to be honest. Capital preservation, exactly. Do you go live in New York? Nah, I drop in sometimes. Like the guys in the mentorship, they run a live stream in the Discord. We have a Discord community for the mentorship, and we run. They run a live stream in here every day for the New York session. I'll stick my beak in every now and then. But what the fuck did I just see over here? POV trading gave you complete Tory trades. Bro, look what they did to our photo down here. Shit, they did a rough down here. Who's got a Tory connections? You guys need to spam her and say, go on Dan's stream. Dan wants you on the guest. Have you heard of Tanzania? What are your trading times? I have if you go on my Instagram or my YouTube or my TikTok, I have videos on that. So what's your logic on the marked upper zone if you could shed some light on that? It's just an area where price is respected here and there's clean traffic above. See this clean range? It's just one color. This is the closest top point of resistance now. If a candle can break above that, I know I've got clean traffic above that I can buy up into. Price is kind of moving up here, but it's moving up in an ugly fashion. So even if this candle, like, it's gonna be tough. I don't know what to do here just yet. I'm really hoping NQ can save the day. Otherwise, we could be chop suey here. Yeah, we could be cooked here. Connect, bro. Is your journal publicly? Nah, like my journal's just whatever. I have a journal. Why is everyone hating on it? People, I don't know. I don't know what people hate on. Yeah, I got copy trader, yeah. Did you execute? Yeah, I executed 2 losses yesterday. Yeah. I'm a failure. Imagine losing twice. What a loser. Just take a trade, bro. Live a little. Fuck me. Looks like no trade Thursday. I know, it's going to be tough, man. Gold's looking tough for a trade. NQ might present something, but now it's kind of dropping from all the way up here impulsively and then rejecting. It's really want to like just see price get to one of these levels in a normal fashion. Gold's just trickled up to it. Absolutely no volume here whatsoever during the London session so far. This has been London so far. Crazy volume, right? Wild, out of this world. So it's tough. Sometimes you show up to the market, I stand here for 2 hours like a dipshit and just watch, waiting for something to happen, waiting for price to go to my levels with volume, but sometimes it doesn't happen. And then you just, what are you going to do about it, right? I guess I'll go back to Macca's, like, it's all good. Nah, silver's not my radar for scalping. I would like to long silver as a long-term position, but in terms of scalping, it's dog shit. Found your recent video, Faith video, thank you for sharing. Oh, nice. Yeah, sick. Way on podcast, way on video. We did a documentary style video. Fair. One of the main traders lose lack of patience. Chat asking you to take a trade. Yeah, bro, it's crazy how people do that. And it's like, yeah, but that's why you're an unprofitable trader and I'm profitable, because I can sit here and wait for my setups. And the people that say, just take a trade, dude. It's like, oh, you don't understand how this works. Fuck, it just hit me. You don't understand what this is. You think this is just, I'm bored, make money, button, click. It's like, dumb. Like you need a lobotomy. Yeah, the only way you'll ever find success in this game is if you have the ability to wait patiently for what is your proven system. I have a proven system, right? Crazy. I have a system that actually makes me money in the fucking game over a long period of time. But my job is just to wait for that opportunity to present. My proven system isn't just taking a trade when I feel like it. It's when the market presents my edge. You guys ever edged before? Like, you have to do that in the market. How can I join Mentor, bro? You can merge with me as a mentor on danielholmestrades.com. Yeah, that's all you need to do. That's all that you got to do. You just go to danielholmestrades.com, and it's only for traders that are serious, though, not for people that are looking for signals or fucking around, because it is a mentorship. So I mentor you one-on-one. I hold your hand and stuff. How do you handle losses? Yeah, if you watched my stream yesterday, I took 2 losses on stream. Imagine that, showing up for the session and taking 2 losses back to back. That happened to me yesterday, and the best way that you can handle it is just walk away. Call it a day. Just shut down the computer, walk away. Call it a day, because guess what I used to do back in the day? I would take 2 losses and it would eat me alive. So I would be straight back on the market looking for another setup to try and get my money back. And guess what? Game of probabilities. You'd most likely take another loss. Like, there's a probability you'll take another loss. So now I'm 3 losses deep. Not only am I 3 losses deep, I'm emotionally a bit affected now, because now I've just taken 3 motherfucking losses. No, I can't take 3 losses, bro. Fuck that. I'm getting that shit back. Let me take another trade. Now I'm 4 losses. Now all logic's gone out the window and I'm on tilt and I'm just gambling at that point. What happens then? Account blows up. Back to square one. Where all I would have wished, who's ever taken that? 2 losses, you gamble your way back, and now you're down like $1,000 and you go, imagine if I just stopped when I had that first loss. Because when you take that first loss, you're like, this sucks, let me try and get it back. But then when you're down so much more, you're like, I will do anything just to get back to that fucking 1 loss. So like, yeah, bro. You just learn the hard way through all the pain. Logic on the zone? What do you mean logic on the zone? Yeah, my rule is 2 losses for the day and I'm done. Yeah, 2 losses for the day, I'm done. It's just the only way you can do it, bro. It's really the only, it's not worth taking 3 losses back to back. It's not worth it, man. It's really not worth it. Because yeah, it'll start stinging you too much. You could start making irrational decisions. It's not worth it. If this candle closes like this, then the next one can fucking break out. It'll be like the only bet here on gold, because then that would imply strength. Other than that, we could be chopped, man. I could have to call it here after that. Been there so many times. Yeah, I'm sure everyone has. Why mark that zone specifically below? The exact same reason as above. Clean traffic below. What if you come back the next day and take another 2 losses? And that's fine. The idea is to regulate your emotions, because losses and wins actually kind of come in waves, I've found. Like, I'll most likely take another 2 losses today as well, right? But I know prior to yesterday, I was on like a 2-week winning streak. Literally 2 weeks of just win. So the idea is to regulate your emotions. So if I take 2 losses yesterday, come back today with a fresh mind and take another 2 losses, it's going to be way better than taking 4 losses in one day. By that 4th loss, I'm just a mess, most likely. I'm like, nah, I'm going to start doing dumb shit to try and get it back. You got to realize, as you develop as a trader, those rookie feelings and those rookie errors, they don't go away. You just get better at managing it. That feeling of tilt and wanting to gamble trade and impulse trade, that never goes away. You just get better at managing it. It's the same with me. I've quit alcohol and weed and shit. Like, I still want to go drink. I still want to go smoke weed, but I just get better at suppressing that emotion, that feeling. Serious question. If you want to get veneers, do your teeth have to relatively... No, they don't have to be... They just have to be... No, they can do some pretty good shit, man. You don't have to have crazy straight teeth or anything. Make sure you guys drop a thumbs up for the stream, chat. This is dog shit, bro. I don't know what we're going to do here, gang. I don't know, man. I might call it. What do you guys think? There's no buys above now. Because here's the thing, now that we're so close to resistance, even if this does come up here, like, it's not pretty. I want it to come from like down here and be like a big strong candle. Remember at the start of the stream, we were talking about the difference between small body candles and big body candles? Big body. Like this is a definition of like shit small body volume. That's exactly what price is doing right now, but moving up instead of down. Where we want to see shit like this, big bodied candles. You want big booties or do you want small booties? You know what I mean? Hey brothers. Yeah, so would you say patience is the key ingredient to become a profitable trader? Yeah, patience, but just managing your emotions. Emotional regulation is huge. Nah, I don't go to church at all. I'm not a big churchy. I can't connect to church. I don't know if NQ is going to give a pretty setup, to be honest. I'll wait. If it does, I'll wait. But I don't think it's going to give this level here. It'll either punch through impulsively or it'll fake out. We'll see. We'll see. Nah, market's not waiting for news. It's just what it is. I was looking into a signal provider. I was trading myself before. Yeah, you're not going to make money through signals. You can make money, but you're not going to be consistently profitable through signal. Came across your documentary yesterday. First time seeing you on YouTube. Felt like had a lot in common. Nah, awesome, Danny. Yeah, appreciate it. You guys that have watched that documentary. Sick. Nah, Geordie, I know that I think, but the reason they're becoming smaller, not necessarily because sellers are taking over, it's just because there's a lack of volume in the market. Like, I can see what you're saying here. I think it's more just an indication of the lack of volume that we actually have in the market right now. Could it come down? Totally. But there's no like signs for me to be involved in a sell. I hate being in a trade with low volume. Who else has been in trades like you enter here and then it just dances around your fucking entry for like 30 minutes? There's nothing worse than that. I want to be in trades where there's high volume. I either want to be TP'd or SL'd quick. It's like execute me or kiss me quick. One of the two. Bro, any tips for crypto trading? Yeah, don't do it. Nah, jokes. Nah, I got no tips for crypto, brother. Sorry. Do you agree there's been too many manual interventions lately, Trump? Nah, I don't think about that at all. Yep, it sucks, right? Entering those trades with low volume. That's why, yeah, you really don't want to be stuck in shitty situations like this right now. Yeah. So I'm going to call it here, you guys. Even if this does break above, I'm not interested. Personally, I'm not interested if this breaks above. There's just no signs of volume here for me just yet. And it's breaking out basically at resistance. You really want resistance to break at like down here. So you got a big body candle, but awesome. I appreciate you guys showing up. Sorry, there's just no volume. I wish there was. I'm here to trade. I'm here to make money. I might watch a little bit off stream, but not for too long. Yeah. Appreciate you guys. I'll catch up with you on London tomorrow. If you're here tomorrow, we'll hit London again. Hopefully there's some more volume tomorrow. Gang. Love yous. I'll see you then. Peace out, friends. Peace out.